Let us show you how we install our professional-grade ceramic coatings. First, we start by thoroughly washing the vehicle. We like to use high-quality microfiber wash mitts from Autofiber or CarPro for our hand washes. Next, we do a claybar step to remove any embedded contaminants in the clear coat to leave behind a silky, smooth surface. Look at what the claybar pulled out. We then do an iron decontamination with CarPro Iron X to remove any embedded iron particles in the clear coat. The reaction from the chemical will turn those contaminants purple for us to then rinse off. Now that the surface is clean, we go into our paint polishing step to remove minor defects and enhance gloss. After the entire vehicle is polished, we use CarPro Eraser to remove any polishing oils left on the paint. We need the panel as clean as possible before applying our coatings. Next, we apply our professional-grade 5-year rated ceramic coating to the paint. Wheels, glass, and trim will have their own dedicated coatings that get applied. This vehicle is now protected for years to come. The ceramic coating will make the vehicle super easy to clean while never having to waste time on waxing again. We also installed ceramic tint on this vehicle, which has amazing optical clarity, lifetime color stable so it never fades, and amazing IR heat rejecting capabilities. Your vehicles are expensive. Make the investment to properly protect them. Give us a call at 570-221-4240 or visit us on the web at dynastyAutodetailing.net. Once you do business with Dynasty, we are certain you will be a customer for life.